Okay, here's your update on the pups. Say, look how big we are at 2.5 weeks old. Hey, look at the face. Oh, yeah, big yawn. Yeah, where's the doll baby? This is Mr. Boy. He is huge. This black baby is a big one. Look at these. Look at these little feet. They're so cute. Look at those little feet. What are you doing over there? What are you doing? So their eyes are open. They're 2.5 weeks old. And next week they'll be on food. And they're all trying to just say, oh, I'm going to ignore you. They just now got to where they really like you and want to come around and see who you are. When they're little, they scream if you pick them up, but they're becoming so loving now. Aren't you? Their little eyes are now open. They got teeth. So they're ready to eat some food. Look at those. Look at those little markings. Oh, so darn cute. Let me see your big face. Show him your face. Come on. Come on. Show him your big face. Oh, look at me. I'm the biggest boy. I'm the biggest boy. I'm the biggest boy. I'm going to take after Dad. I'm a big boy. Aren't you? You're a big boy. Ooh, big yawn. Yeah, and here's one hiding. See, that's the little girl. What's your little name? Oh, yeah, you're so darn cute. Okay, we'll follow along and let you see how they progress. Yeah, your mom's doing great, so. Puppies will be back later.